Penny, are you enjoying your lunch? Yeah? What's that? Chicken? And carrots and rice? Is it yummy? Oh, yeah, that wasn't helpful anyway. Right? No, who needs utensils? Who needs utensils? There you go. You didn't really get any in your mouth there. Got some in your nose. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Oh. Oh, you know, you're making a good try. Let's see. Oh, what do you think? Oh, good girl. What do you think of that? Some chicken and carrots. Want some more? Chicken and carrots. Chicken and carrots. Let's see. Here you go. Ah, good girl. Good girl. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. It's not slimy at all. Yeah. No, you can't handle the camera like that. No. Let's eat some more, okay?